Pi Network rise in popularity has propelled the hashtag Pinetworklive to dominance. One hashtag Pinetworklive sticks out among the sea of trends and hot topics on one of the most famous social networking site, which is Twitter. This hashtag has experienced a sharp increase in popularity and is currently trending on Twitter all across the world. But why does hashtag Pinetworklive become so well known? And why are there so many people participating in the conversation? You can find out everything you need to know about why the word Pinetworklive is currently trending so widely on Twitter by sticking with me until the end of this video. Before we proceed, this channel has resumed its daily giveaway of 50 Pi coins. To be that lucky winner, simply hit the subscribe button and comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. And don't forget to support our channel by simply pressing the subscribe and notification. With all of this, let's get started already. The Pi Network, which is a cryptocurrency-like venture that is gaining traction around the world, might have something up its sleeves, as the recent hashtag has been trending these days on Twitter. Guys, is this a sign that the Pi Network will be going live soon, or is something very significant about to happen to the Pi Network and pioneers as a whole? Guys, this can't really be a coincidence. We do really hope this be a game changer for the Pi Network. The Pi Network, which is a platform that prioritizes sustainability and equality, presents a fresh and unique perspective on the cryptocurrency world. One of the primary factors contributing to the Pi Network's rising popularity is its original mining concept. In this situation, users are not obliged to purchase pricey gear or use a significant amount of computer resources. Instead, users can mine the Pi coin using their smartphone, whether it be an iPhone or an Android phone. With this approach, a wider spectrum of people can use and accept cryptocurrency. The Pi Network also adopts a community-focused philosophy. This platform promotes active participation, collaboration, and knowledge sharing among community members. The use of the Twitter hashtag Pinetworklive is proof of this. By involving users in entertaining dialogues, the Pi Network is able to foster a strong sense of community and camaraderie among users all over the world. Influencers and well-known personalities who are familiar with cryptocurrencies have expressed interest in the Pi Network due to its uniqueness and intriguing future potential. Through social media platforms like Twitter, they share their views and show support for the project. As a result, they help to increase the Pi Network's visibility and spread awareness, which sped up the platform's expansion and acceptance. The Pi Network is becoming more well-known and in demand all over the world as a result of its innovative inventions, welcoming attitude, and backing from a user and influencer community. This reflects people's desire to engage with cryptocurrency in a more straightforward, approachable way that has the potential to produce tangible rewards. Social media has evolved as the main medium for individuals to share information, engage, and build communities in this connected digital world. One of the most prominent social media platforms, which is Twitter, has emerged as the center of a global dialogue about everything from news to entertainment. One of the most recent phenomenon to catch Twitter's eye is Pinetworklive. This hashtag has recently quickly gained popularity all around the world. But what exactly about hashtag Pinetworklive attracts Twitter users' attention? The community movement. Hashtag Pinetworklive is connected to the Pi Network cryptocurrency project, which has a bright future in the online space. The goal of Pi Network is to create a cryptocurrency that anybody can use and access without the use of expensive equipment or specialized skills. For Twitter users who want to get involved in the world of cryptocurrencies without having to cope with the difficulties typically associated with blockchain technology, this has been a significant lure. The hashtag Pinetworklive was created by the Pi Network community as a means of gaining Twitter user interaction and attention in order to increase the project's visibility and audience. This hashtag can be used by Twitter users from around the world to converse, exchange knowledge, and debate viewpoints regarding the Pi Network. This hashtag sparked a conversation on a variety of topics, including mining tactics, the potential value of the Pi coin, and the most current developments in the project. Not just members of the Pi Network community, but also influencers, professionals, and well-known figures in the Bitcoin community have expressed interest in the hashtag Pinetworklive trend. They make use of these hashtags to express their opinions, offer suggestions, and invite other Twitter users to get engaged and learn more about the Pi Network's possibilities. Twitter users can learn more about blockchain technology, cryptocurrency principles, and how Pi Network differs from other cryptocurrency ventures by taking part in the hashtag Pinetworklive discussion. In a friendly and open environment, users can ask questions, exchange ideas, and get opinions from a large worldwide community. The approachability of hashtag Pinetworklive is one of its many alluring qualities. The Pi Network is aware that many people are still not familiar with cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, and they want to make sure that everyone may enter the cryptocurrency world regardless of technical proficiency. There are no significant technological barriers that prevent users from instantly joining the Pi Network and starting to mine Pi coins on their mobile devices. Furthermore, a vibrant community contributes to the Pi Network's appeal. Users of the Pi Network can interact, work together, and help one another using the platform. A thriving and welcoming community will serve as the foundation for the Pi Network's long-term growth and prosperity. Members can exchange Pi Network-related experiences, techniques, and knowledge within the framework of the hashtag Pi Network Live on Twitter, cultivating a sense of brotherhood and a spirit of collaboration that strengthens their connection. Additionally, the participation of well-known people and influencers in the Pi Network. Live discourse has greatly boosted the project's validity and momentum. When experts and key figures in the cryptocurrency industry recognize the Pi Network's potential and innovation, it inspires more people to find out about, participate in, and also invest in the project. Their involvement on Twitter and backing for hashtag Pinetworklive has aided in the dissemination of the Pi Network's message and the development of community trust. In this constantly evolving digital world, social media significantly contributes to the growth and acceleration of projects like the Pi Network. The Pi Network has attracted attention from all over the world, generated an unstoppable buzz, and made it possible for more people to get involved in the cryptocurrency industry. The Pi Network community is strengthening as a result, user growth is speeding up, and there is growing hope for a promising future. Therefore, if you notice the hashtag Pi Network Live on Twitter, don't be hesitant to join the fun discussion. Join this growing movement. Explore the Pi Network's potential and learn about fresh opportunities in the rapidly developing cryptocurrency industry. Pinetworklive is a call to action for a humane and inclusive digital banking revolution, and you can contribute to making it happen. Never give up. The Pi Network gets cooler and more powerful, and the Pi Network will work out pretty well. Despite popular belief, all explorers from all around the world are cordially welcomed by our team. Mine the Pi coins today, please. That's all I have right now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via the email or Telegram link provided in the description of this video. And don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you and see you in our next video.